Every trader is looking for a way to gain an edge in the market, and today I'll show you how to find it with the help of the Commodity Channel Index. In this video, I'll take the StrategyQuant X software and use it to build profitable strategies based on this popular indicator. No complicated manual testing, no endless parameter tuning. I'll show you how to use the power of automation to find the best setups. If you're interested in discovering a profitable trading system without too much effort, keep watching to see StrategyQuant X in action. Before we build strategies with StrategyQuant X, let's take a look in MetaTrader 4 to see how to identify an edge that could then generate profitable strategies for us. I'm in MetaTrader 4, S&P 500 chart, daily candles. At the bottom you see the Commodity Channel Index indicator with a setting of 14 and levels of -100 plus 100. If you look at the chart and you focus on the areas where the Commodity Channel Index indicator is breaking through or moving at a level below -100, which is this area to the downside, and you compare that to the chart, you can see that it's this area, here's this area, this area, this area, this area, this area, this area, and what's noticeable is that you'll definitely notice at a glance that if the indicator is below the -100 level, then there's a rise in the price of that asset that follows. So we're going to build in StrategyQuant X a strategy based on the Commodity Channel Index, and that's when the price is below the -100 level. So we'll switch to StrategyQuant X. In StrategyQuant X, I switch to the Algo Wizard module, where I select the new full editor, create basic strategy template. What I want is for my strategy to trade only in the long direction. That is, I want the price to be above the simple moving average with a value of 200. For this StrategyQuant has the condition is uptrend. I'll look it up here, is uptrend. I'll confirm. The next thing I want to specify is that the CCI indicator is below the -100 value. So I'll add another condition. Comparison. It's smaller. I'll find the Commodity Channel Index indicator here. I can leave it there for now. And it's less than -100. I'll enter a value of -100. What I want next is for the strategy to close all my open trades at the end of the year. So I enter is the last trading day and month, which is bar and trend. Bar month is December with a value of 0. But I still want to make sure, because as you may have noticed the indicator may be a few ticks below the value of -100, so I only want to enter the trade when there is a confirmed long entry by some other indicator. So I'll put a random condition here so that SQX will be able to pick some random conditions for me from the custom blocks. To do this I have to switch from off to on in the settings, in the advanced tab. And I'll add a random condition here. And another thing I want to change is the CCI period, which I'll change to random including shift. I'm only keeping the condition that the CCI should be less than the value -100. As for exit methods, I'll specify generate randomly here for all of them. And I save the template prepared in this way to my disk. So in the Build module, I'll click on the detailed settings on the What to Build tab, choose Strategies from the template, browse, load the template I created earlier. You can see the additional config for the build here. I'm only building long SQX signals, random generation, conditions to generate 1 to 3, maximum lookback period 3, indicator periods 5 to 200, stop loss is required, based on ATR only, coefficient 1.5 to 20, profit target is not required, has the same ranges as stop loss. I'm building in the MetaTrader 4 engine, for the S&P 500 symbol on a daily time frame, and I'm building this on a 5-year span from 2012 to 2016. The testing method I choose is a quick spread. I enter 6 pips, slippage 3 and commission 0.01, as I trade on an ECN account. I have the trading settings enabled to only treat gaps realistically. The building blocks I enter predefined conditions, here I tick everything. Order type only market. Exit conditions all with the proviso that I want a stop loss for each strategy. Money management I have an initial capital of 100 for a volume of 0.01. Cross-checks I have a backtest with higher accuracy and evaluation. I want to have 1000 strategies generated in custom filters. I have specified profit factor 1.3 maximum drawdown less than 10% number of trades greater than 10. Longest trade less than 60 days, risk ratio 1, stability 0.7 Calmer and edge ratio greater than 1 and I can click generate. Okay, I'm running out of strategies, I'll wait until there are 1000. I have 1000 strategies generated, so I select them all, click retest, apply current config and copy, and I have 1000 strategies on the retester tab. Here I click backtest with higher precision, go to detailed settings, where I immediately change my testing method to 1-minute data. I'll move the time window forward from 3 years, that is, from 2017 to 2019, and in the evaluation I'll activate delete strategies that don't meet the condition, and I'll adjust the condition only for the number of trades, where I enter at least 3 trades and click start. And I'm left with 18 strategies out of 1000. I roll back the number of trades to 13, which is 10 original plus 3 new trades, and I move the dates back to the beginning of the period and click start. And we can see that I'm left with the original 18 strategies. Now I'm going to switch to Quant Analyzer, where I'm going to build a portfolio of 5 strategies from those 18 strategies. I loaded the 18 strategies in the Quant Analyzer, switch to the Portfolio Master tab, where I choose the brute force method, because there are few strategies, so the computer can generate all possible combinations. The number of strategies I have is 5. I select by return drawdown ratio. Correlation conditions, I have a maximum of 0.3, which is low correlation, by profit loss and days, while allowing negative correlation, and I start the selection. The Quant Analyzer has selected a portfolio for us, and I will select the 18 strategies in StrategyQuant X that the Quant Analyzer has selected for us. In StrategyQuant X I've picked the 5 strategies that you see here, and we can test them for the next 5-year period to see if the setup is okay. Still remember to click delete. And we can see that these strategies all ended up in profit. We'll look at the portfolio as a whole, and what we see. Out of the 5 years, only 1 year is a loss, which is clear, that was 2022. The others are profitable. The average annual profit is 138%. The sharp price is 1.4%. The profit factor is 3.3%. The return drawdown ratio is 4.6%. The profitable trades are 75%. The average profit is 82%. The average loss is 77%. So the average profit is slightly higher than the average loss. We look at the list of trades and see that the longest trade was 48 days, which is consistent with the original setup. On the equity curve, we can see that there was a decline in that 2020. However, the idea seems to be very good. As we have seen, the edge observed from the chart looks promising and the results match it. Strategies built using the commodity channel index can generate interesting trading opportunities. However, with respect to drawdown, it is important to thoroughly test these strategies with robustness tests to ensure that they hold up in the real market. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more automated trading tips and strategies.